Hey, Lucille. I was trying to think of ways that I could sort of lead you to your own experimental design. And then I thought, well, really, why don't I just show you an experiment? You could talk about that. So let's pretend for a minute that I'm in a diner, and oh no, I've got these two containers. Both of them look pretty similar. One of them is full of salt. One of them's full of sugar. Which one is it? I have to fill up all the shakers before everyone comes in the morning. What am I gonna do? Well, if I know the properties of ionic and covalent compounds, I know that covalent compounds have a low melting point and ionic ones have a high melting point. So I could go over to the stove, for instance. I've got this tiny hot plate here, and I could put both of them on the stove, and I could see which one melts first. The one that melts first has a lower melting point, and that'll be my covalent compound, my sugar. So this little piece of tin foil right here. I'm going to put both of them on there, and we're going to see what happens. Let me grab a little bit of this compound, put that over there. Take a little bit of this compound, put it right here, and we'll see which one melts first. I don't know if you can see it from there. I've already got some action going on. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Okay, so it's probably pretty hard for you to see from way over there. Let me separate these out. Let me bring it up closer to the camera. So as you can see, all of these big rock things, they did not melt. But then that fine white powdery stuff, it did. So that is most likely my sugar, because it's covalent, it melts first. So that's me literally working out an experiment. How would you do this instead of doing it in a diner? How might you do this in a lab? How could you do it at home? Not that you would, because it might be dangerous working with a stove without adult supervision. But how might you do that at your own house? Hopefully this was helpful, Lucille. Have a good day.